Hi, welcome to DayTradeToWin.com. Today we're going to be trading the Emini S&P500 and I'll show you a few trade examples here. We're going to day trade using the Atlas line and the Trade Scalper day trading and scalping strategies. These strategies and software for the NinjaTrader platform makes it easy for us to find the trades. We get the automatic trading signals in the chart, so everything is super simple. Now the New York session is just about to open, so it's not the best time to be scalping. There's a lot of volatility and you might have slippage. We usually recommend that you don't scalp during the open, but today I'm going to make an exception and perhaps we'll learn something from this. So here we have a trade signal, long. Our profit target for the Trade Scalper is a fixed 3 ticks. As we're scalping, we're only looking for quick profits in and out. But when we have many trades with small profit, at the end of the day, the total profit can be substantial. So scalping during the open, is it a good idea? Let's find out. As you can see, the market is very fast and volatile here. We did reach our profit target, but the market reversed right off of it. I can't promise that you would have been able to exit with 3 ticks of profit on that trade, but we did reach our profit target. Here's another Trade Scalper trade. We're short this time. And this trade was quick. We reached our profit target here, 3 ticks in no time. Okay, so let's turn to the Atlas line day trading strategy. We're about to get the first signal of the day here soon. It usually comes in around 9:50 or 9:55. Alright, so we're long here. I'll let the price action play out here. I'm going to speed up the video so I don't spend your valuable time here. For the Atlas line, we use a profit target based on the ATR. In this case, the profit target was 4 points and a tick, 4.25. When we base our profit target on the ATR, we'll have different profit targets for each trade, and they're based on what we can realistically expect from the market at that given time. So if the market is fast and volatile, we'll have a larger profit target. If the market is slow, we'll have smaller profit targets. Makes sense, right? We're going to use a time-based stop here as well, which according to the trading rules of the Atlas line is 4 candles. That's 20 minutes. If we haven't reached our profit target by then, we will close out our position, win, lose or draw. And here we've got another trading signal from the Atlas line. It's a strength trade. You see the S's here. In the strength trades, we have a fixed 1 point 4 tick profit target. And there we reached our profit target on the strength trade, 1 point of profit. We still have the Atlas line trade open, but we're getting close to the time-based stop, 20 minutes or 4 candles. If we haven't reached our profit target by then, we should close out the position. It doesn't make any sense keeping trades open that go nowhere. It's better to close out and wait for the next signal. And we actually have 10 different day trading strategies that we teach in the mentorship program, so there will always be great trading signals. In this video we had 2 Trade Scalper signals that reached their targets, then an Atlas line signal that was about break even, but we also had an Atlas line strength trade that we profited 1 point on. So in total 2.5 points, and that's pretty good. It's not perfect, but still worthwhile. And I do apologize if today's sound quality was poor. I think my mic just broke down. Until next time, good trading.